Hi, I'm Chatney, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the first at-home laser hair removal device from EvenSkyn, and it's called Pulsar. This is an IPL intense pulse-like device for at-home use, which makes it cheaper, safer, and easier than getting hair removal at a cosmetic clinic. Laser hair removal lasts so much longer than shaving and waxing, which is why I love it. The device has 8 intensity levels, starting from low level to work your way up, all displayed on the LCD screen. There is an advanced cooling system with a quartz tube that ensures precise and lasting hair removal. There's also a skin rejuvenation mode that boosts collagen production and can be used safely all over your body. Make sure you consult the skin chart at EvenSkyn.com to make sure you're a good candidate for the Pulsar, and take a second to read the user manual that comes with the device. To use the device, you plug in at the bottom of the device with your power adapter. This is how you turn on your Pulsar. You hold down the bottom button until you hear the fans coming on. Make sure when you start, your LCD screen displays an HR for hair removal. Select a moderate intensity level starting at 1, as you can see here. You can change your intensity levels by pressing the power button repeatedly. Before using your Pulsar, ensure that the area of skin is freshly washed and is free of any products on it. Also, make sure you always wear the safety glasses that come with the device. To start, place the Pulsar's light window flat against the skin. It's important that the light window is flat against the skin so that the light energy disperses into the hair roots evenly. If the screen says auto, the device flashes automatically when you slowly glide the device against your skin. If the device says manual, the device will only flash once when you press the button. This is more suitable for hard to reach areas such as your Brazilian and bikini line area. For one session, go over the areas once or twice maximum per session. Do one session a week. You'll start to see your results at around 3 weeks, back-to-back weekly sessions, and a total of 10 weeks are recommended. After your 10 weeks, you can do touch-up sessions, which may be needed every 4 to 6 months after you complete your initial 10 to 12 treatments. Thanks for listening. Head over to EvenSkyn.com to check out their other devices.